Vaheguru Guru Ramdas Ad Gure Name Jugad Gure Name Sat Gure Name Sri Guru Deve Name. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa. 525 years have passed, and Guru Gobind Singh word that Panth Khalsa shall appear. There is a problem which Sikhs do not understand, and it's a very unique problem. We keep on blaming what is wrong, but we have never honestly thought what is right. There are three words which are very important. That is Trukuti, that is the base, that's the command center of the Sikh religion. One is Surat, Surat, Sirat. These are three aspects. Any Sikh who has these three aspects, Surat, oneness of his mind, is called Surat. It is a science. It is not that you can get it out of like as you buy peanuts. This is not that way. It's a very simple. It's not difficult. People make a mess out of things for nothing. But it's a very simple technology that you can have your oneness of the mind. It's not difficult. It is surprising. I have seen majority of the people suffering, but they cannot do this little thing. Surat, Surat, how you look like, how you appear, how you vibrate, how your body feels to other person. Surat. Guru Nanak had laid down the rule for us, Akal Murat. Today is Akal Takht day. We shall be 960 million. We shall rule this planet. There's no way that it shall be wrong. It has started. 25 years have proven to me I am right, because I believe Rat Pyari Mohe Ko Sikh Pyara Na Hai. If Sikh does not take the Guru's wrath, does not obey Guru's command, Guru says that Sikh is not my beloved. My beloved is the one who lives in that discipline. Why Guru is asking for the Guru is truthful. Guru does not want his Sikh to suffer. He is asking Sikh to have a Surat and Sirat. His behavior, his impact, his projection, his very fact of life, Guru is responsible. Guru takes three responsibilities. Otherwise, he is not Guru. The difference between a Guru and a man is, Guru takes the responsibility, man doesn't. Oh, कहना maybe, try it. Guru never says try it. Guru says exactly what it is. And he says follow it. Exactly in this smallest period in which we are, everybody in Sikh Dharma is trying to come out with technologies. Oh, this is the way. Everybody is trying to find out a way that Sikh becomes a Sikh. Sikh becomes a Sikh as Guru explains or directs, either way. Sikh Dharma is not for suffering. It's a religion of the rich. How poor you may be, you will become rich. Because it has the Sirat. In Sirat it has the totality. When I see a Sikh suffering, I understand where is the problem. There are two words in Mool Mantra, Akal Murat. You become the picture, you become the personality, you become the self of Akal, the deathlessness. Today is Akal Takht Day, and we should continue celebrating this day till Guru and God give us the power that Akal Takht will never be attacked, ever. And it shall happen. And we'll never have somebody sitting on the Akal Takht who's not worthy of the fact. And we shall never have Sikh Dharma divided into sections, in groups. Guru's religion cannot be divided in groups. Guru religion can only head by the Guru. It can never and shall never be allowed to head by people. That is the principal fight now. That's why people do not fit in. It is very easy to keep the Akal Murat. Because if Surat is one-mindedness of the mind is achieved, then there's no difficulty. In Sikh Dharma, they cannot translate Naam. What is Naam? Naam Guru Mantra nahi. Guru Mantra is given to help the Naam. Guru is there to help the Naam. Akal Purkh is there to help the Naam. Naam is that noun, name, place, faculty, facets of a human being which project Surat, Sirat te Surat. Naam is the identity of the Sikh. It represents Akal Purkh, it represents Guru, and it represents the self. That is Naam. You mean close your eyes and then keep on doing this? Some million people do that. Where do you get it? This whole bogacity teaching in Sikh religions have gone so wrong. If your presence doesn't work, you will not work. And prostitutes are not princesses. A cow is a cow, a sing is a sing. And that is what Sikhism is. And when a Sikh woman walks, everybody, whosoever one may be, must understand by virtue of the appearance, by virtue of the status, that there walks in a princess. If she is not a cow, doesn't look like a cow, doesn't talk like a cow, doesn't behave like a cow, she's not a cow. Then what is she? A bundle of nonsense? If a man is not a Singh, he has not conquered the beast. He is not a king of his jungle, his foolishness, and he doesn't talk wisdom. What is he? These are the things to be understood. These are the things we have to know. And we are not to go to any man. We have not to worship man. We will never, Khalsa will never worship a man. I'm no Sant. Paag hoya gur sant malaya, prabh banasi par mein paya. That is the word said about Guru Ramdas. How a poor Sikh can be matching to that word? No. We made Guru Gobind to bow down to us to take Amrit from us. We are the Khalsa. We are the Khalsa, mighty, mighty Khalsa. We made him to get Amrit from us. He gave Amrit to us. That is the balance in this word which has to be understood. No man will be worshipped hereafter. Guru Nanak has his Guru, Shabd Guru. We have our Guru, Shabd Guru, Sri Guru Granth. That's the end of the word. I am not upset by that there are many saints. Everybody can be a saint. But my standard of saint only is known to me. Look, everybody has a standard. Standard of values, standard is a flag also. Every person, my standard of a sant is Guru Ramdas, which Arjan Mal described and became Guru Arjan Dev. Last letter he wrote, Paag hoya, Gur Sant Malaya, Prabhu Parasi Karme. And when the letter was written, he was given Guruship. That is the standard of a saint. Where? Standard of the Guru, he sat on the hot plate, took upon a hot sand, and still said, Why Guru? This is a character. There's a character and there are characteristics. Sikhism is not a joke. It's not a joker's religion. It is not a management committee religion. It is not a pracharak religion. It's a religion of a Sikh who represent Akal, the deathless God. Now you will say, well, we have weaknesses. What should we do with our weaknesses? Well, what should we do with our weaknesses? Let there be weaknesses. Let there be weaknesses as they are. Weaknesses are weaknesses, but when there's a call of duty, Sikh takes the first step and never returns. That is a Sikh. Honi naal jo lande matha, Sikh khavan soi, kai war has has ke honi, antnu mod mod roi. Sikh na puje Rabb nu. Now I am going to go to the basic village talk which I learned when I was 2-3 years old. Sikh na puje Rabb nu, kanu phaseo yab nu, Rabb puje sada Sikh apna, sant sabhao satapna. These are the village talk. Sikh never worship gods. God worships Sikh. Sikh doesn't get into the problem of doing all this. Why? He is a God. Akal Murat. Ajuni Saibhan Gur Prasad. Now, from last so many years I have been listening, we call Kada Prasad. And meat we ask Mahaprasad. But why can't we ask not Gur Prasad? You disorder the Ananda Sahib, sitting in the presence of Sri Guru Granth, at least have a courtesy, show courtesy, that when you come to the 5th Pauri and then you jump to the 40th Pauri, at least say Pauri Chalmi, 40th Pauri I'm going to recite. It don't make it Ananda Sahib. I can't tell people who are becoming Sikh, Ananda Sahib has become only 6 Pauris. I can't lie to them. I can't teach them wrong things. So please, in the future, be kind to us. When you read Ananda Sahib, read it as you want it. I'm not saying, but be truthful. Say, Pauri Chalmi, Anand Pya, Anand Suno Vat Pagiyo. Unu Nandana kya karo? Kya Gurbani hai? Then justify it. Because for you it is a Gurbani, for me it is a Guru. For me is everything. And if you misuse and abuse, we Khalsa will not tolerate it. If you are taking the advantage of this fact, we are 15, 16, 11 million, we'll be 11 million very fast. We are on our way. We aren't going to listen to this nonsense. Oh, gee, this happened, that happened. What happened? In 1922, British Sarkar tried to make Sikhs lose three things. Benti Chaupai, stop at 25th. Adil nahi padan dena. Anand Sahib, make into 6. Listen to this. This is what they did. They took away Anand Sahib. They took away Benti Chaupai from us because they knew till these two banis are read by Sikhs, they are not going to be defeated. So after cleverly, they got with the Dogras, took away the Sikh Raj. They knew it one day they are going to run. They knew it. So what they did is, they said, what is the root strength of the Sikh? Unaka Bani. Which are those two Banis? Oh, the Anand gives them the Anand. Anand gives them the Anand. Benti Chaupai gives them the prayer. Because this is Guru Gobind Singh's own word. So they mess it up. And then they made the controversy about the Sri Guru Granth that Ragmala is not a part of it. Guru Granth Sahib is in Rag. Uttari Ragmala is Ankat hai. Uttari Ragmala is there. When there is a Shabad from Dakhni, Rag Dakhni, they say Rag Dakhni. Any Shabad which is from Dakhni Ragmala is mentioned that way. Guru has been very truthful with her. Tunde Saraje ki tuni. They never took away, that is what we have done it. No, they took it as it is, and they sang it as it is, and they honored as it is. Sikh religion is changing. It is coming with grips with the reality. And Sikhs are trying to understand the meaning and the joy and the fact of Akal Murut. They have started realizing what Akal Murut is. What is the picture of the God? Somebody was telling me that day, Yogi ji, can you show me God? I say, yes. When? I say, right now. Where? I say, look at me. I am God. What is wrong with me? You don't believe it? Fine. Did I make myself? No. I said, why don't you see the maker through the maid? Feel it. Am I not God? I say, no. Your hair are cut, your face is shaven, you are a deformed God. You're not original, you're not organic. Excuse me, I'm not trying to give an amendment to you, I'm trying to tell you to face the fact. Sabat Surat, Akal Deep, Panne Baiman. Look at this face, these features, these elements have been given to you by Akal Purakh. And in the Bible, God made you in His own image. Man is made by God's own image. What is wrong? I say, if there is a God, perfect God, and He made me wrong, then perfect God couldn't make better. So I am perfect. I'm not going to accept I'm born in sin, I have to live in guilt, I have to go to hell. It's not for me. I'm a Sikh of the Guru. I'll bypass Dharmaraj. He will ask for the account. I understand it is in Sri Guru Granth, but he doesn't ask me. Better not. I'm not going to give him any account. If God asks me, give me the account, I said, damn God, you were with me all the time. What account? We were together in this whole deal. Sikh does not accept the separation of God and the man. Doesn't. If whenever a Sikh will accept the separation of the man and God, he is no more a Sikh. If Akal Murut separate the separation of Akal and separate the Murut, he is no Khalsa. And this is the tragedy. And Guru personifies it. Pale bure hum tare, Prabhuji, pale bure hum tare. Bad and good as we are, we belong to you. Trust, there's no trust. There's no faith in God, there's no trust. When Sikh does not have a Akal Murat, how can he belong to Akal Takht? But there is Akal Takht, and there is going to be 960 million Akal Murat. And world will think twice if they feel like attacking Akal Takht again. There is a lot of power in the Sikh. There is a lot of reality in the Sikh. Sikh belongs to Akal Takht. Sikh belongs to Akal Murat. Sikh is the worshipper of Akal. Kal Akal, Sri Akal, Maha Akal. That's what Sikh is. It is not today, it is not tomorrow, but world shall change. It is not that we are going to proselytize people, come on, become Sikh. No, people will come, please make me a Sikh. And then every Sikh has to remember, Khalsa Mera Satguru Pura. Every Sikh has to remember is a perfect Satguru of the Guru. That Guru Gobind Rai, that full-fledged Guru Gobind Rai, whom you gave the Amrit. The table has been reversed on the Sikhs. There's never a record in the history that anybody had a Akal Takht. We have it. If somebody says he sit on the Akal Takht as a Jathedar, the person should have personality, reality and truth. Is that a Jathedar whom the president of the Shromani Gurudwara Permanent says, don't make any statement, don't bring any unity, sit down, stand up. I remember in Nutangam Gurudwara, the president was taking me to the Gurudwara and he called, "Oh Pai ji, cha banao, Yogi ji aaye ne." I took that man by neck. I was almost going to wring his neck. I said, this man is Guru's Azuriya. You call him by Oe? Who the hell are you? Sikh has to now live the stand of the Khalsa. Sikh has a name. My name is Har Bhajan. And whenever there was a Khand Path, they will read Bina Har Bhajan nahi koi chara. I used to understand, gal to theek hai. There is a Guru's word, Bina Har Bhajan nahi koi chara. Without Har Bhajan, there is no way out. They used to say, I am Har Bhajan. I have all way out. What is wrong with me? I was a little child. I was a big man. I was knowing everything. But whenever Name Mail Shabds come and that line comes, I used to ask myself and I used to ask everybody, what they are saying, without me there is no way out. Well, I was a prince of a state, that was a different story. But later on when life came to me, I understood it. And Har Bhajan, God's name. God's name is God's name. Akal Murat is God's name. Mahakal, Sri Akal, Sri Akal, Mahakal, Mahakal Vaheguru. You have to understand, we are not just as we think we are. We are the Khalsa, mighty, mighty Khalsa. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. We are the Khalsa, mighty. What people like, what people worship, what do they care whether you have money or no money, you have big car or big house? People care how you vibrate. People care how you look like. People care how you feel. People love your smiles. People love your glow. People love your faces. It is very impossible for an ordinary person to become a Khalsa. And then it's very difficult for a Khalsa to live as a Khalsa. And then it is very, very difficult to die as a Khalsa. That's the purpose of life. We don't have to be and live. We have to die. The technology and misunderstanding and not understanding how Sri Guru Granth is our Guru. When we utter the Gurbani correctly, the tongue touches the hypothalamus through the upper palate, and man's constitution starts changing, provided he chants it correctly. And without vitality, there is no virtue. We need vitality. We need vibrations. That is what a Sikh is all about. Sikh means a student who learns, Shishya. And that is what we have learned, to live as a Kalamurd. Somebody asked me, Yogi ji, when all these people came to you, you should have become their guru. I say, I'm a fool. I should lie to them. I have my guru. Why should I introduce them to my guru? Why should I become a guru? Who am I to become a guru? I am trying to become a Sikh. Once I became a Sikh, it's fine. It's better than anything. Learning doesn't stop at the Lord. And sometimes Lord learns how the learning becomes the learned. 3 words, there are 3 words. To learn, to become Lord, and to become learned. Once you become learned, you can create lords. So it is a very privileged day today. Is the 6th. We celebrate every 6th, the day of the Akal Takht. And it's a day of the dish and wish. And it's a promise by the Guru. It dawned on me, and that's what Guru Ramdas said. On this day, the saddest day, celebrate. I said, how? He said, let anybody prepare with love a dish, bring it with a wish, and I shall grant it. And it has become our regular feature. It has become our regular fact. Today, we don't only bring money, we bring ras. We bring rahu ras. We bring something on which we survive. We bring the choicest thing of our life. Somebody was telling me that day, I have gone to 3 dish and wish my wish is not done. You know. And I said, what you were taking there? Oh, one day I just took a bag of rice. I said, okay, what, $17? No, I spent more. I said, okay, what you did second time? Second day, I could not take anything. I picked up a fruit from my friend's house. I went there. I said, 2. All right. Third. I don't remember, but on third day, I think I took a cake. I said, Khalsa ji, it's a day for you to cook, to make, to be. It's a day of purity, piety. Personality has to merge with that offering. So, last 6th came and I had a typical point of him. I caught him outside. I say, what you brought today? He said, today I brought very good dish, Yogi. I really prepared nicely and I even read Japji. I was reading on the Gutka and I prepared. I say, you wish God granted? He say, in the morning. Evening never happened. I say, before bringing the dish before the Guru and happening anything, it got granted? He say, yes. रास कर रास में अरदास कर अरदास से रास बनती ही बनाए है जो अकाल काल को अकाल में समाए सोही सोही अकाल तू खालसा ध्याए है ये भुल गई ना बाणी सानू सारी सर्वलोक 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 इसी में खालसा अकाल ही सहाय है अकाल की बात क्या महाअकाल बात कर महाकाल में ही काल अकाल समाये है When these simple things are remembered and known, then Sikh understand his faculties, his projection, his power. Because Sikh represent the living Guru, the Sri Guru Granth, the Shabd Guru. It's my privilege and my blessing that Sadguru keep on giving us the strength and may protect us because now I understand 160 people are going back after 9 years to visit the Akal Takht. After 9 years we'll walk on the cold marble again. After 9 years, we'll get 3 seconds to bow. The bell toll on us now. It shall be nothing but victory. We'll bow at the house of Guru Ram Das. It's a privilege. Just remember, many of you are going with me. Go like Khalsa, pure, simple, disciplined, and as one piece. Let your attention be on the house of the Guru. Let your attire be representing the Guru. And let your purpose be that we are going to Guru Ram Das to get Guru Ram Das in our heart forever. And all shall be blessed. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.
Narayan Krishna